quick review of section 464 once again, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So section 464 is basically mandating the requirement of registration. The heading of section 464 is illegal association. What is an illegal association? It is not required that in order to be an illegal association, you should conduct some illegal activities. It's all about the maximum permissible number of member being an unregistered establishment, right? If you want to run a partnership firm, maximum number of partners in a partnership firm can be 50, right? Maximum up to 50 partners can be there in a profit making entity. The limit of 50 can be increased by central government in future to 100 member, but as of now, how many number of members are permissible in a partnership firm is 50, right?
Yes, sir.
The moment you are having 50 members, immediately you should get yourself registered either under Companies Act or under LLP Act. If you remains unregistered, you will be classified as an illegal association, and the moment you will be classified as an illegal association, the liability of each and every individual partner will become severally unlimited. Severally unlimited means if all the partners will run away and only one single partner is being available in that situation, all the creditor can file a personal suit against that concerned partner, and he has to fulfill all the liabilities and obligation. Even if uh, the third party will do something wrong with your firm. No, students, once you have been classified as an illegal association, you would have no right to file a civil suit against the third party, because the law will treat it your firm is no more. There is no relationship of partnership exist between partner. Whatever contract or agreement you have done with your partner will become null and void, and third party can sue against individual partner, but partnership firm and partners cannot file suit against the third party. So so you guys will become extremely you guys will become legally incapable, right? Means even whatever agreement has been executed between you and your partner will become null and void, right? Right, students, your liability will
Yes,
become
sir.
severally unlimited, right? And third party can sue against you, but you cannot sue against third party. Got my point? But this
Yes, sir.
rule is not going to be applicable on three entities. One is charitable organization, the another one is foreign entities, and the another one is professional firms, right? Right, students,
Yes, sir.
got my point? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Sir, even if
Yes.
the firm is registered under Section 4 of
uh,
Partnership Act, तो भी
Still,
मतलब
no, no.
तो भी valid नहीं होगा.
Because it's an optional registration, na Shashikant ji, and it does not require crucial reportings, which has been essential in Companies Act and LLP Act, right? So even if it is registered under state government by complying the requirement of partnership law, but still it will be treated as what? Illegal association. Got my point? Is it clear,
Yes, sir.
students? Is it clear?
सर
Uh,
सर ये तो वैलिड होगा अगर किसी के साथ मतलब आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इफ देयर इज एनी डिस्प्यूट विद एनी अदर पार्टी
hmm.
बट इफ देयर इज डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन पार्टनर्स तो
तो
ये नहीं होगा ना
तो
वैलिड
भी होगा
तो भी हो जाएगा.
हाँ, even if there would be a dispute between partners, now suppose we all have registered under a partnership act having 50 partners. Okay, the moment it becomes 50, immediately we should go and get ourselves registered under LLP or company law, right? But if any dispute exists between us after become 50 or 51, and we approach a court that there were a dispute between partners, court will not entertain that dispute. It will be treated as whatever agreement executed between you is null and void. And even if we would have a dispute with our contractor, or if we would have a dispute with our creditors, court would not entertain our petition at all. Got my point?
यस सर.
Is it clear? So now the next one is, I think I cannot cover the entire topic of Hindu undivided family today, because lecture has been started 10 minutes late, and hardly we have 8 minutes. So I am finishing it up. जितना होता है उतना I'll finish it up. So the next one is Hindu undivided family. So whenever we are talking about Hindu undivided family, Hindu undivided family is nothing more than a kind of Hindu family belonging to a common ancestor, right? You can form a Hindu undivided family and get it registered with a separate PAN card number allotted by income tax department. There are two category of Hindu undivided family students over here in India. Although when it comes to Hindu undivided family, they have in your study material have included a very brief, description of Hindu undivided family. But I find it like if you are doing it, why not to do it perfectly? So I have included all the taxation aspects in my notes. I have put all the kinds of Hindu undivided family working over here in India, so that you would have a broader idea about how this structure is working at all. So when it comes to Hindu undivided family, Hindu undivided families are formally registered under Income Tax Act. They take a PAN card number, and because and in order to have certain tax savings, people are getting into Hindu undivided family. Minimum two co-partners are essential if you want to have a Hindu undivided family. Even if you are not having children, husband and wife can constitute Hindu undivided family and take multiple tax exemptions by this method. There are two category of Hindu undivided family working over here in India. One is Dayabhag and the another one is Mitakshra. Dayabhag family structure is a structure in which the moment you get birth in a family, you will have an undisputed interest in the property of the family. Okay, means by birth, whether you are by in 2005, I think there were an amendment in Hindu law which states that whether you have been born as a girl or girl child or a male child, it doesn't matter. You are by birth, immediately after the birth you will have an undisputed share in the property of the family. That is in Dayabhag family. Got my point? Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
But in Mitakshra family, just a minute, I have put it in the end. Okay. I made a mistake, students. That is there with the Mitakshra family. I have, reversed the concept. Mitakshra family may, if you are following the Mitaksha law, Hindu law, then you will get the membership in the family by birth. It doesn't matter whether you are male or female descendants. Mm, After the birth, you would have automatically interest in the family. Okay, family property. But in Dayabhag Hindu undivided family, which is being practiced in, West Bengal and Assam, you will get share in the family property only once your father will die. Till your father is alive, you will have no direct interest in the family. Means on the death of your father, you know interest of your father will be passed on or succeeded to the successor of the male member, right? Got my point, students? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
in so Hindu undivided family is nothing more than a business form of business organization where family member of the common ancestor is running the show of business. It is a device to take multiple tax exemptions and benefits by many Hindu families running their businesses under HUF head. There is no separate registration required. Just you have to apply for a PAN number with income tax department as an Hindu undivided family. The senior male member will be classified as a karta who is responsible for the operations of Hindu undivided family. But from 2005 onwards, even a senior female member can act as a karta. Now, the family member is known as co-partners. There are two laws of Hindu undivided family, Mitaksha and Dayabhag. Mitaksha, you will get the interest in the family property just after your birth, whether you are male or a female descendant, it doesn't matter. In Dayabhag family, you would have no direct interest to claim in the property of the family. Only on the death of your father, you will get, succession right over the property of the family, right? Done, students. So we have
Yes, sir.
done with few topics. I have shared the notes with you, students. After the class, I'll share the recording as well. Tomorrow, not during the class time, students, because we are having very limited time available for the class. After the class by 10 p.m., I'll take a test on one of the topic. Okay. By tomorrow, we'll finish this chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
students. See you tomorrow. Now I am taking 10-15 minutes ka break. Then we'll resume for company law, students. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
students. Bye bye.
Thank you.